Acid rain is a global environmental issue that affects both the atmosphere and land surfaces. Despite efforts to reduce atmospheric pollution, it continues to have negative effects on human health, infrastructure, and cultural heritage. Rain simulators can be used to simulate natural conditions and test the effects of acid rain on calcareous materials such as stones and monuments. Nanoparticles can be used to protect these materials from further damage due to acid rain. These particles can provide long-term protection and reduce the need for repeated maintenance or replacement of damaged parts. Additionally, they can reduce the amount of energy needed for cleaning and transportation, thus reducing the overall carbon footprint and water consumption.
This article was authored by Indira Rodríguez, Almudena Ortiz, Pablo Caldevilla, and others.